Tax season is right around the corner, and you might already feel the stress building up. We are here to share with you some cool survival kit ideas that could help you glide through this season without a hitch. Before we begin, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to make your business as successful and profitable as can be. First off, let's take a moment to appreciate that according to recent studies, approximately 65% of business owners feel anxious around this time of the year. You are definitely not alone in this. Now, on to the survival kit. Idea number 1, get yourself a digital organizer or use a simple app to keep track of all your receipts and invoices. It might sound basic, but you'd be surprised to know that a considerable number of business owners are still catching up with this trend. Idea number 2, a quiet space. Find yourself a tranquil place where you can focus on your tax preparation without distractions. This could be a peaceful corner in your home or even a local library. Up next is idea number 3, a reliable accountant. Now, I know it sounds like a given, but many businesses, especially small ones, try to handle everything on their own. According to a survey, about 70% of small business owners do not hire an accountant. Think about saving yourself from potential headaches and hire a professional to guide you through the complex world of taxes. And here comes idea number 4, a stress ball or a calming desk toy. Sometimes it's the small things that make a big difference. A little object to fidget with can sometimes be a lifesaver when you're buried under stacks of paper. Idea number 5 is setting up a reward for yourself. Once tax season is over, treat yourself to something nice. It could be a small vacation, a spa day, or just a day off to relax and rejuvenate. And last but not least, idea number 6, build a supportive community. Connect with other business owners to share experiences, tips, and maybe even referrals for good accountants. This sense of community can sometimes ease the stress and make the process more bearable. For more information on how to survive tax season, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you like to do during tax season to stay sane? Leave your comment below and let the people know if you have any unique strategies. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.